In Igbo language, my love is commonly referred to as obim, which translates to my heart. This term of endearment reflects the deep emotional connection and affection one has for their beloved. It signifies a strong bond and expresses a sense of devotion and care towards the person being addressed. The Igbo culture places great importance on love and relationships, and using this term carries an essence of warmth, tenderness, and intimacy. Calling someone obim conveys a sense of protection, as if they are held dear to one's heart. It encapsulates the depth of emotions felt towards a loved one, encompassing both romantic love but